I'm really excited to share this month's clickable calendar with you for July 2025. This month's theme is ease. So Tai Chi not only helps us reduce stress and improve strength, flexibility, and balance, it also helps us learn how to live with more ease in life. It helps us really release tension that we don't need. It helps us live with grace, softness, and simplicity. For those that don't know me, my name is Dr. Adam Potts, the Tai Chi PT. I've been a physical therapist and Tai Chi instructor for over 10 years with thousands of students all over the world. All right, so how this program works is simply put your information below and then click on the link to send the clickable calendar right to your inbox. All right, then you can download the calendar. All the classes are already available, so just click on a class to start watching today. So all the classes except for Tuesdays and Saturdays. So Tuesdays we go live every week at 11 a.m. Eastern Time US. And so after that, the video will be available anytime. And then on Saturdays, I upload a recorded video at 6 a.m. Eastern Time US. And then after that, you can watch it anytime. So whether you're a beginner or have some experience, whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve strength, or simply just wanting a mindful way to exercise, then this community and these classes are for you. So just put your information below, click on the button to send the calendar right to your inbox, and I look forward to seeing you for the month of July with our monthly theme of ease.